How to get NFL Sunday ticket veteran discount. For this, you have to watch the video till the end. First, open your Google web browser and sign into the Google account you will use for Sunday ticket. Then open the IDme offer page for Sunday NFL ticket, and here go to the save money option, and from here click on the military discount option. It will lead you to the next page. Now here you will see all of the discounts available. Select the one according to you, as here you can see all of the military discounts. Click one of them and go to their shop section. Now if you do not find one, you will search it in the search bar, and after searching the one you need, you have to click on this shop now option. After clicking on the shop now option, verify that you are still on the same Google account as you were before. Now you have to click on this verify now option, and once the verification is done, you will get your saving discount option. You have the both option. You can use IDme or you can sign into your YouTube TV for the process to be completed. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get your veteran discount for Sunday NFL ticket.